Hey everyone and welcome to my channel called A Barbie Collector. At this channel we talk about vintage Barbies mostly, so if you're into that, stay tuned. As you can tell by today's video title, I am going to show you guys how to make cheap, easy, safe and vintage inspired earrings for your Barbies. So let's dive in. Barbie from the 60s came with super cute and elegant earrings. Here you can see the originals. However, who would have known that they would cause so much trouble years later? The dreaded green ear syndrome. This is a quick and easy tutorial that shows you how to make reproduction earrings of the originals that came along with, for example, a bubble cut or a swirl ponytail Barbie from the early 60s. These earrings are totally safe and give the impression of the old earrings. So let's go. What do you need to make the earrings? Super glue, scissors, nylon thread, pearl beads, and some paper towel. I bought nylon thread at the same shop where I got the pearl beads from. It's thread that you can use to make necklaces. You may think that the nylon thread isn't stiff enough, but honestly I think it's pretty good to use for this cause. The pearl beads I bought in a size 3mm. After some deliberating, I went for the white ones. I was afraid that they would be too white, but they are ivory white, which I love and which I wanted, so that's great. So let's start off with cutting the nylon thread. You will only need 2 pieces of 1.5 centimeter approximately, or like half an inch. I know the transparent thread is barely visible, but bear with me, it's very hard to film. The paper towel you will use for the super glue. So you will take 2 pearl beads. I got them on a string because I apparently bought 3 meters of pearls, so we got a lot of earrings to make. Apparently the super glue I bought a while ago was dried out, so here we are continuing with a super glue bottle that already lived many lives, but it works. Then our guest came over. Hi Gizmo. We're going to start by dripping just a little bit of super glue on the paper towel. Please be careful with super glue. It can be very dangerous. If you are young, please let a parent or adult help you with this. You're going to dip the tip of the nylon thread in the drops of super glue. So only the beginning of the nylon thread where we are going to attach it into the pearl bead. Then you grab the bead and you place the thread with the glue part in the opening. Keep it still for a couple of seconds and now you have an earring. Easy as that. After they are completely dry, you can give Barbie her earrings back. Earrings are also great if you have a Barbie like this one, which has a tiny bit of discoloration. The earring size is perfect to cover up a tiny part of discoloration. I always make a batch, and if I don't need them already, you just put them in a Ziploc bag. Wow, that was a very short video, but you know when it comes to DIY projects, I'm kind of cut to the chase. So, thank you so much for watching. That was it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And check out my Instagram called A Barbie Collector. I have a lot of content ideas in store, but let me know if you have any suggestions. And again, thanks for watching. I see you in the next one. Bye!